from the Teckwrap from the, oh my God. Okay, I took my 30-ounce thick, I sanded it, washed it, spray painted it with a new Rust-Oleum color called Dreamy Lavender. And then I took some Aleene's, Tack-It over and over, and I brushed on 2 layers, let them dry in between. And now we have a nice tacky cup. And I am going to use SOC Sparkle Dust in Dusty Pink. This is from Sandy over at Sandy's Organized Chaos. They are just gorgeous and they are perfect for the Tack-It method, which is what we're doing. So I'm going to pour this on, get good coverage. I love playing in these sparkle dust because then I'm all sparkly afterwards. That makes me happy. Doesn't take much. All right, so we have our glitter on here and now our sparkle dust. And now 2 or 3 fingers, you're gonna make it lie down and get gorgeous. Look at that hollow that comes through. This sparkle dust stuff is amazing. Don't forget your bottoms. And then whole hand, flatten everything out one last time. And this dust that comes off goes in my dump jar, which is getting pretty full. One of these days I'm gonna have to make a dump jar tumbler video. There you go. Look at that shine. Look at that hollow. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm gonna take the cup out on the deck and spray it with a layer of Rust-Oleum matte clear spray just to seal everything on. And then I'm gonna bring it back and put a layer of resin on it. I'm gonna use the new, to me, I've tried it once so far and it was amazing. This is Tumblers Lightning Cure from the epoxy resin store. It's a 1-to-1 and we'll see if it's touch dry in 15 to 20 minutes. Hey, we're back. It is the 20-minute mark. Look at that. Touch dry. 20 minutes ago, you saw me put this on. Yay to that. Okay, I need to go print out some graphics. We are going to wrap on this gorgeous holographic pastel vinyl from the Teckwrap craft people. Put some graphics on here and then put more resin on top and we'll have another cup. So yay. Alrighty, so it's time to get some of our Teckwrap craft holographic vinyl onto our tumbler. I want to put about 3.5 inches worth at the bottom of the cup. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to try to do. Because you just never know with me and vinyl how it's going to go. Okay. I don't want it to go down over the curve and give me trouble down there. Oh, yeah. Maybe. maybe it's gonna work. There's optimism for you. All right, anytime. There we go. Again, this Teckwrap vinyl goes on beautifully. Any problems you just saw me have, those were of my own making. Those are not the vinyl's fault. Yeah, we're a little off. Okay, well, I guess I'll be doing a pinstripe at the bottom. It's all right. Beautiful. All right, let's try some nail tape before we put the graphics on. We'll see what this looks like. This is my holographic nail tape from Amazon. I'm using the 3mm, the widest ones. I like this light gold. I like this a lot. Let's try that. That's kind of cool. All right, time for me to get the graphics. Okay, so this is ready to receive some graphics, and I have the graphics done. We're doing water slides. I'm doing these black and white Halloween cupcakes, which I think are adorable and creepy. Can't say for sure this is my last Halloween tumbler of this season. It's certainly one of the last. It may be the last one. We'll see how it falls in the schedule. I am going to put a graphic down here, but I'm going to do the cupcakes, which go up here first. And I'm basically going to try and do them like that all the way around. We'll see how I do in spacing it out as opposed to me spacing out. I'm going to start putting these in. This is printed on my Hippo, H-I-I-P-O-O, water slide decal paper that I prefer using. I spray it with 3 layers of clear spray. 1 layer is Plastidip Glossifier. 2 layers are Rust-Oleum 2X Gloss Clear. And then I cut everything out, and we're going to put it in the water and start placing them around the top of the tumbler, hopefully in a quasi equidistant sort of spacing from each other, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, that's not bad. Now you wet your squeegee so it doesn't drag, and you use it to push out the water and the bubbles in the air and everything, the wrinkles that are under your water slide. So this is what's going down here. I put a spell on you with a cute little kitty and a cauldron and a witch hat. Just thought that accentuated the colors nicely, and it was on sale and it's adorable. Again, links to all the art and everything else below. And then once this is on and I've squeegeed everything and I'm okay with the placement of everything, then I'll put it aside. I'll let it dry overnight. I'll put epoxy resin on it, and then it'll be time to see it out in the sunshine. So this is a relatively quick and easy, very different from the norm, but I like that, Halloween water slide tumbler.